Hi，文哥啲朋友，good evening 都夜㗎啦。咁我師傅因為好快脆佢係去台灣，咁我哋有想講啲嘢咧，係關於美國、烏克蘭、俄羅斯同埋中國個關係係關於停火戰嘅，同埋咧另外咧，我好傾睇到即係網上有條咁嘅片。話即係香港死緊嘅，咁我同阿John 咧，阿 John 係我師傅嚟嘅，咁喺上一集都大家知道咧佢個身份啦，咁我哋兩個都係政治素人 ，that mean we are newcomer，greenhorn of politics，但係我哋兩個咧有不同嘅意見嘅，即係關於今次侵咧，即係安排呢個咁嘅即係停火協議嗰啲咁咧。我同佢都有不同嘅意見，但係不同嘅意見咧都冇所謂。但係依個咁嘅行動咧，真係會影響到真係香港 going to die 嘅喎。咁所以咧就我首先問阿 John 先，阿 John
係
咁咧 ，OK， 你同唔同意咧 ？Do you agree？ 阿 Trump 嘅行為咧係會影響到香港？係咪真係冇得救啦？抑或可以鹹魚翻身嘅？鹹魚翻身就係 that mean we can recover。Yeah, what is your view？ I want to hear your view。
我嘅 view 就係唔會 ，Trump 會係而家玩緊好多個國家仲慘過香港。第一個 history 香港 is very resilient， 中文我唔識講啊。乜嘢環境佢都翻轉頭。
Resilient 嘅意思咧，即係話咧係最艱難咧，我哋都可以度過嘅。
係啦。
The most difficult we can survive。
冇錯，仲有歷史，我哋100幾年歷史都係咁樣嘅，好多嘅catastrophe。係世界上香港都成功。
其實 catastrophe 咧就係即係慘劇慘劇。或者我哋個經濟危機嗰啲，我哋都可以度過。
冇錯。
咁即係
所以我覺得會唔會 Trump 會唔會整死香港啊？我話死咗好多國家都未到香港。
OK， 我哋好希望咧，阿 John 即係 John 係非常之樂觀嘅。咁我覺得咧喺香港呢笪地方咧係要需要多啲樂觀嘅人嘅。咁John 你會唔會翻去加拿大啊？阿 John 係加拿大人。你會翻加拿大抑或即係我同你咧兩個都過70啦，個老嘢啦咁你想安享晚年喺香港一係翻去加拿大咧，抑或去菲律賓咧？因為阿 John 嘅好好嘅女朋友係菲律賓人嘅。咁呢三笪地方你會喺邊度度過你嘅餘生咧？
我會翻加拿大，只係翻去放假，探下啲仔，探下啲孫。菲律賓咧，我就會去即係我一年大約係當佢分4個月咁啊，即係4 times 3 is 12，right？
好阿 John， 你係加拿大人其實你一直都係即係喺嗰個insurance 嗰界係即係頂尖嘅。咁聽你咁講，即係你想揀擇香港咧？我嚟到你度過餘生，即係嗰個基地。
香港係我基地，我 I'm gonna retire in Hong Kong。
OK， 嗱，其實阿 John，I wish you agree with me。好多人咧都係一啲即係講嗰啲嘢係好 negative 嘅，好負面嘅關於香港。咁點解 John 你會選擇香港係你嘅即係度過你晚年嘅安樂居咧？點解咧？
第一，香港係好 resilient， 香港係非常之 convenient。我覺得冇一個地方係好似香港咁 convenient 嘅。落街3點鐘你想食嘢都有幾個字得，樣嘢都近。香港嘅 transportation， 我覺得全世界係最好。我去過全世界嘅，差唔多。香港 transportation 嚟講，香港全世界最好嘅 transportation。
OK，
又方便又平。
OK，
第二，如果你係香港人，好多人話香港好貴，香港貴係一樣嘢，係地產，
冇錯。
住食係住嘅啫，
冇錯。
食買衫生活，你如果係香港人，你識喺 喺香港生活咧，我覺得就唔同世界上比唔係貴。你去倫敦而家，你去倫敦，你去法國，你去 even Toronto，
貴到飛起，
貴到飛起。你食個 hamburger 都要15蚊加幣啊！係，你諗我諗成個
15蚊加幣即係百幾蚊港幣啊！
係冇咁犀利，但係70蚊啦。
唔係1對5、1對6啊！而家6、5中3就攞原來90蚊咯
，90蚊
係咯。阿 John 講到咧，香港咧係非常之方便嘅地方啊，24小時都有嘅。咁我就想話俾阿 John 聽，有一個joke。I am going to tell you a joke， 就喺我女咧就喺美國人做嘅美國銀行嚇，咁佢有好多 colleagues 咧 come from America、come from UK、come from Germany 好多喺德國啊、美國嗰啲嚟香港。有一日咧，我就做個地址之餘請佢嗰個朋友食餐飯，佢亦都係喺嗰個美國銀行咧非常之高級嘅，佢就係紐西蘭嚟香港嘅。咁咪 asking him 點解佢唔直接去上海，而途經香港，然後先去上海咧？而 told me a story， 佢講俾我聽一個故仔。佢話有一日咧，凌晨3點鐘，佢就想同個女朋友做愛。You want to meet up with his girlfriend, but no condom，no condom。few o'clock in the morning 喎，3點鐘凌晨喎。咁佢着到 pajama， 着件嗰啲。睡袍睡衣攞去樓下隔離就有一間711啦。咁走去買個最靚嘅 condom。咁買完之後咧，就經過有檔雲吞麵未收喎。咁入去入邊就食個細蓉即係細碗雲吞麵。咁行過未翻酒店咧，又有糖水食喎。咁佢就唔識食咩糖水嘅。咁去到就蓮子。咁佢講嬲尾解釋俾我聽，嗰個叫清補涼，你都唔識㗎啦。清，你識啊？佢飲咗碗清補涼，然後摸下摸個肚，先翻酒店，然後做愛。哇！你係香港幾方便啊？佢話你就算去日本，去邊度都好咧，凌晨3點鐘你想落去買 condom 你唔使旨意啊，係嗎 ？OK， 好啦，我哋講翻正題先。嗱，我覺得咧。自從我哋上次講完之後咧，有好多突變，我想同你講講，即係 there's a great change。第一咧，咁澤連斯基咧就親自寫封信去俾侵，就認錯，同埋咧佢話咧，我以後咧都跟住大哥你行，你話叫我簽乜我都簽㗎啦。咁 this is a sudden change of attitude。咁但係侵咧。報咗俾國會聽咧，佢冇話究竟接唔接受喎。但係侵咧就 stop 晒所有所有烏克蘭嗰啲軍事嘅援助啊、經濟嘅援助咁，同埋最慘咧就係佢哋啲 intelligence 即係佢哋嗰啲收到啲情報就冇俾俄羅斯啦，冇俾烏克蘭啦。咁而家烏克蘭打仗咧。真係盲頭烏蠅啊！佢都唔知敵方喺邊度。咁樣之後咧，我覺得咧就澤連斯基咧，因為咁嘅情況咧，為咗佢個國家，佢係忍辱負重。咁嗱，我同你都同意咧，嗰份協議咧一定簽得成嘅。咁但係咧有少少嘅 complication 咧，即係有少複雜咧。澤連斯基竟然間打電話俾習近平主席喎，Chairman Xi 就要求習近平主席咧，如果佢哋將來有啲乜嘢嘅和談會議咧，佢要求中國個主席出席喎。咁即係而家將件事咧就變咗 complicated 啦。即係唔係淨係美國、俄羅斯、烏克蘭啦，仲加埋個中國。咁嘅情況之下，你估佢哋個和談？嗱，我哋兩個都冇 crystal ball， 我哋兩個都冇水晶球，我哋只係憑我哋嘅預測嘅啫。你諗呢個 peaceful 嘅 settlement 即係呢個唔好打仗啊，呢個咁嘅安排咧，會唔會成功咧？
我覺得佢哋會簽得成功。
唔係 簽就係簽個協議啫，個協議就係美國。
但係 peace in Ukraine 好難去成功。
即係我
呢一兩年都幾難。
我同意，即係個場仗會繼續打落去㗎咯喎。
係因為俄羅斯佢要個結果咧 ，Putin 要個結果咧，簽乜都好啊，簽得嚟咧，佢要好似佢贏咗咁樣。OK，又要攞晒啲地方啊，又會俾翻Ukraine。係第二European 而家呢個 dump the Trump， 我成日講呢個 dump the Trump 啊。係呢個 dump the Trump 搞到個世界咁啦，係令到 EU 係好團結。係英國、加拿大同 European countries 同美國個歷史有90幾年啦，係 allies。係 Trump 而家好似 betray 咗啊，係 betray 咗佢啲 allies。係，and then 過咗另外嗰邊，去咗俄羅斯嗰邊，同 Putin 做好朋友。係 ，OK，not participating with the allies。係，好啊，咁啲 allies 咧，而家咧，因為佢哋歐洲已經準備咗，冇錯 ，Trump 會離開呢度。冇錯，冇錯，冇錯，唔會俾錢啦。冇錯 ，OK，所以咧。以前咧，德國打完第二世界大戰啦，大戰咧就唔準有軍啊嘛，係，亦都唔準有 atomic bomb 嗰啲嘢，係，唔可以 develop military，係，而家佢哋知道佢哋要靠美國 defend，但佢知道呢個 dump the Trump 呢條友咧，係 betray 人嘅，即係呃人，係，咁啊佢唔會 protect Europe 啦，係，咁 England and France 已經係 donate 咗。All the nuclear warheads and many battle equipment 留喺 Germany 準備呢樣嘢。Canada 同美國啊差唔多，香港同大陸咁。即係 neighbors 不嬲都係兩兄弟嚟嘅。而家佢連 Canada 佢都 betray 埋。啱。咁啊 Canada 而家咧同 EU 同 Europe 嗰邊仲親密過同美國嗰邊。啱。John， 琴日。我聽緊個 YouTuber 佢可以叫做 KOL， 叫Gordon Poon， 佢喺英國嘅，佢就講咧，發現到咧1999年，即是香港回歸咗俾國內㗎啦。1999年咧，戴卓爾夫人咧喺黑池Blackpool 嗰度咧就宣讀一份演辭，佢就話咧所有歐盟歐洲嗰啲咧冇團結嘅。個個為自私嘅，為自己嘅，咁佢咧就話應該咧英國要脫歐嘅，因為咧唔好俾佢哋咁嘅連累。咁當時佢就講我哋嘅活代港督咧就唔同意嘅。嗱，咁而家睇咧，其實阿 John 你講得好啱，佢哋以前係一盤散沙嘅，各自各嘅，好自私嘅，但係因為俄羅斯抌就抌咧，佢哋變咗佢哋好團結。咁我同意嘅，因為點解咧？因為法國個靚仔嗰個法國 Macron 同埋咧英國嗰個工黨嗰個首領咧，兩個咧就一齊話：喂，我哋要 support 烏克蘭，從來冇咁合作過㗎。佢哋兩個，我哋兩個咧，如果佢澤連斯基去美國簽咧，我哋兩個陪埋佢一齊去。邊有咁嘅ally啊？同埋咧，最近咧，丹麥嗰個女首相佢出嚟講得好清楚，我哋唔希望和平，我哋希望打仗，因為和平咧喺俄羅斯普丁個心裏邊嚟講咧，佢就贏咗㗎啦。既然間贏咗咧，佢就再去打歐洲嗰啲鄰近國家啦。第一個可能係波蘭啦，但係第二個咧就應該係丹麥嘅。所以丹麥嗰個女首相就咁啦。好啦，我哋都嗰啲拍到咗啦，我哋亦都唔好嘥太多時間。最緊要嘅一樣嘢，其實咧香港會唔會真係神仙都難救咧 ？This is saying Hong Kong is dying. Even God cannot save us. What is your view on this? Okay, my view on this is, I hope not, and I don't think so, because Hong Kong is very resilient.
Yeah, you said that.
If Hong Kong is going to die, China must die first before Hong Kong is going to die. So that's not going to happen. China right now is, out of all the countries, around, including Russia, US, EU, and so on. To me, lack of experience, but my vision is, and my limited knowledge tells me China is the most stable and the strongest country of all of them. America, instead of attacking its enemies like China and saying they're growing too fast and trying to cause all this trouble, America should review their own situation and try to become number one. To become number one, to champion. Let me use sports. To be a champion, it's very difficult to win the championship. But to defend the championship is so much harder than to win it. To maintain every year. America should 檢討佢自己啊，study, review, and fix their problems. Having said that, every dynasty has its own time. You know, the Spanish had their time, Portuguese had their time, British had their time, right? America just, in my opinion, just had its time. Right now, it's in a declining situation.
I see.
And then whenever it's declining, every country that has a declining situation, its people start to fight against each other, riots, homeless people all over the street, really bad situation. And the Trump is taking this situation and exaggerating it, make it even more severe. He wants to put the tariffs on Mexico, Canada, China. Tariff is going to kill his country. In the agricultural farmland, Trump said deport all the immigrants. More than 50% of the workers of all the farms in the USA are done by illegal immigrants. Destroying the major problem right now in agriculture in the US. Second, automobile. He's charging Mexico these tariffs. Mexico is not going to send many of the parts that even Tesla needs. Okay, so the price of the cars in America is going to go up. Oil, Canada, angry at them. They depend on Canadian oil. Canada is stopping all the oil going to the US right now. So oil and gas, everybody in America drives. The price of gas is going to go up. He thinks he's putting tariffs to punish people. He's punishing himself. And China has $800 trillion in US Treasury bonds. American people pay tax, high tax. A lot of that money is going to China. China is sitting back and laughing. And China produces, like, there was a story before Trump's last period when he was president of America. He sat down the CEO of Apple. And he says, we want Apple to build your phones, your iPhones in US. The CEO of Apple was quiet for a little while. And then he said, I'm American. I would love to build my phones in America. But you have an iPhone right now. How much does this iPhone cost you? Trump said, I don't know, 600 US? He says, if I build this iPhone in America, it's going to cost you 1,300. How can I do that? I mean, I love America, but how can I do that? Cutting my business in half. So Trump, uneducated, bully, egotistical, dump the Trump. You guys hear me in this world? Dump the Trump.
嗱，我翻譯佢最嬲尾先，佢非常之唔滿意阿Trump，即係佢 take over 個 office 都即係大約1個月到啦，佢已經搞到成個世界都亂晒咁佢話咧，其實美國咧已經沉緊㗎啦，但係中國咧其實佢有雄厚嘅本錢，同埋中國人咧係好容易適應逆境嘅。咁佢即係所講咧，就即係阿習近平成日所講啦，東升西降啦。咁但係咧，我想問阿 John 一個問題，然後我先翻譯佢之前講嗰啲嘢。John，我嘅 observation 咧，如果一個地方陸沉咧 ，everybody jump out of the boat， 所有啲人都走嘅。咁而家你有冇一啲跡象，或者你聽到啲美國嘅公民係開始離開美國咧？呢個最緊要嘅，我覺得。
嗱，我有個好朋友，佢係做 移民啊 immigration consultant
嚇，佢係移民即係職業嘅，係
同埋我啲朋友都係，
佢自己都係
美國
係
已經有好多嘅所謂有啲錢嘅人 ，the middle class and up 啦，已經係開始揾緊地方，甚至乎已經去咗移民咗去第二個國家啦，退休啊！咁咧最近呢一個月啊 ，Robert De Niro 大家都知呢個大明星 Robert De Niro 大家都聽過 Richard Gere 呢個大明星
靚仔嘅
同埋有個好出名嘅歌星啊，T 字頭泰啦，咩泰啦，唔知咩啊，OK 呢三個已經講到明，佢哋離開美國 De Niro 咧就揀西班牙，嗰個靚女唱歌好叻嗰個又係揀西班牙，係 Richard Gere 咧就揀意大利，係三個都講明我離開美國以後唔翻嚟，唔係淨係佢哋離開，又要帶埋佢啲仔啊、孫啊，全 whole generation 離開唔翻美國。佢話因為咩？唔係因為美國 decline， 係因為 dump the Trump， 因為呢個人我哋要離開，冇前途啊！
啱嗱，我哋綜合啦，我同阿莊所講嘅咧，有啲同意，有啲唔同意。第一咧，香港係唔會死嘅。呢個係莊講，我亦都同意呢個香港係唔會死嘅。我嘅 philosophy 咧就係話咧，當一個國家衰到盡嗰陣時候咧，就會有啲有志之士啊，有能之士咧係挽救呢個國家嘅。我覺得香港而家已經衰到底㗎啦。我諗咧就會有一個即係高人嚟領導我哋去 pass through 呢個咁嘅艱難嘅。呢個人咧，而阿許 Sir 諗咧，就係梁錦松。嗱，大家睇下我有冇估錯啊 ？I'm going to say when Hong Kong go into bottom， 梁錦松咧 is the former financial secretary in charge of Hong Kong。
Anthony
Leung。Anthony Leung。梁錦松，我覺得係香港嘅救星。咁咧，我亦都可以講咧，梁錦松嘅出現咧，香港一定唔會冇得救。梁錦松 is the one who save Hong Kong， 呢個就係我嘅。
梁錦松 after hearing this will buy you dinner。
好啦，咁我哋暫時咧就告別先，因為咧我哋都仲未食飯。咁啊 John 咧就聽日就去台灣，因為佢有兩個學生咧去台灣打拳，佢啱先喺菲律賓翻嚟，因為佢有個學生咧就好嘢喺菲律賓嘅拳館學You can tell, you know, because this is a glory of Hong Kong。喂，呢個係香港嘅好故事嚟噶嘛？
喺菲律賓
係嘛？
訓練
又係佢西洋拳係嘛？又係即係佢個學生嚟嘅。咁I wish you every good luck
Thank you very much。
OK，咁咧等你翻嚟咧，我諗呢個世界又再變㗎啦。咁你翻嚟咗之後咧，我哋
係而家每日啲新聞好似 soap opera 追嗰啲劇
話劇啊，
全世界都追住呢個傻佬 ，Dr. Trump 笑緊呢條傻佬。
OK，拜拜，OK。